Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and effective solution for a common problem many Dell Latitude users face, the invalid partition table error. If your laptop refuses to boot and you're stuck on this screen, don't worry. I'll not only show you the exact issue, but also explain why it happens and how you can fix it in just a few simple steps. So stay with me till the end. This guide might save your system without needing any repair shop. Today's video is about a common issue many Dell Latitude users face, the invalid partition table error. As soon as I powered on the laptop, this error appeared on the screen, preventing the system from booting into Windows. So first, I showed the exact error message to make it clear what the problem looks like and why it can be confusing for users. After displaying the error, I explained what it actually means. The invalid partition table message usually appears when the system's firmware cannot find a proper boot partition. This often happens due to incorrect BIOS boot settings, a change in the boot mode, or when legacy mode is enabled on a system that requires UEFI. In simple words, the laptop tries to boot from the wrong place, so Windows doesn't load. To fix this issue, I started by entering the BIOS setup. As soon as the Dell logo appeared, I pressed F2 repeatedly to access the BIOS menu. Once inside the BIOS, I navigated to the boot sequence section. Here, the system was set to legacy boot, which was causing the problem, because modern versions of Windows require UEFI mode for proper startup. So, I changed the boot mode from legacy to UEFI. After selecting UEFI, I made sure the internal hard drive or SSD was listed correctly in the boot sequence. Then I saved the changes by clicking Apply and exited the BIOS. Once the settings were applied and the laptop restarted, the system immediately recognized the correct boot partition, and Windows started loading normally without errors. In the video, I explained clearly that switching to UEFI is important because legacy mode is outdated and often incompatible with newer Windows installations. I also highlighted the reason why this issue occurs. If the hard drive was originally installed using UEFI mode, and later the BIOS is switched to legacy, the system cannot detect the required boot files. Sometimes BIOS settings reset automatically after a battery failure or update, causing this mismatch. And in some cases, users accidentally change boot settings while troubleshooting other issues. So, by correcting the boot mode and applying the right configuration, we can easily resolve the invalid partition table error without touching the data or reinstalling Windows. That's exactly what I demonstrated in this video: simple steps, a clear explanation, and an effective fix for a problem that seems complicated but is actually very easy to solve once you know the reason behind it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this step-by-step guide helped you understand the real cause behind the invalid partition table error and how easily you can fix it by adjusting the BIOS boot mode. If this tutorial saved your time or helped you bring your Dell Latitude laptop back to life, then make sure to support the channel.